Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about the TVS Apache RTR 204 versus features. The TVS Apache RTR 204V stands as a masterpiece of engineering, blending power, technology, and style. Inside a luxurious showroom, its sleek and aggressive design captures attention instantly. The motorcycle's sculpted fuel tank, sharp body lines, and premium dual-tone finish reflect the precision and craftsmanship of TVS. The illuminated showroom wall proudly displays its name, reinforcing its iconic status among performance enthusiasts. Underneath its bold exterior lies a race-bred 197.75cc oil-cooled engine, delivering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Equipped with advanced fuel injection technology, the Apache RTR 204V ensures seamless throttle response and enhanced mileage. The race-tuned slipper clutch allows for effortless downshifts, reducing engine braking and offering superior control on every ride. The refined 5-speed gearbox provides smooth shifts, making acceleration crisp and exhilarating. The Apache RTR 204V is not just about power, it's about precision. The race-derived double cradle chassis ensures unmatched stability, allowing riders to carve corners with confidence. The telescopic front forks and rear monoshock suspension, tuned for racing dynamics, offer excellent damping and handling. Whether navigating urban streets or attacking sharp turns, the bike remains planted and responsive, delivering an adrenaline-pumping experience. Safety is paramount, and the Apache RTR 204V excels in this aspect. Equipped with pedal disc brakes on both wheels and dual-channel ABS, it guarantees superior braking control. The intelligent ABS system prevents wheel lock-up, ensuring confident stopping power in any riding condition. The radial tires provide exceptional grip, enhancing rider confidence even at high speeds. The fully digital instrument cluster is designed for the modern rider, featuring a race-inspired display with real-time telemetry, top-speed recorder, and gear shift indicator. Bluetooth-enabled SmartXconnect technology keeps riders connected, displaying call and SMS notifications while offering turn-by-turn navigation. This cutting-edge feature makes every journey smooth and informed, merging technology with the thrill of riding. The Apache RTR 204V's aggressive riding stance is designed for both comfort and control. The ergonomically positioned clip-on handlebars and rear set footpegs provide an optimal riding position, reducing fatigue on long rides. The split seat setup ensures excellent comfort, making it suitable for daily commutes and high-speed rides alike. The bike's aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, enhancing overall efficiency and performance. The striking LED headlamp and signature DRLs add to its commanding presence. Whether cruising through city streets or lighting up dark highways, its illumination ensures clear visibility and a distinctive identity. The tail section features a sharp LED brake light, leaving a lasting impression as the bike roars ahead with unmatched confidence. The Apache RTR 204V's exhaust note is a symphony of power. The race-tuned exhaust system enhances performance while delivering a deep, throaty roar that signifies its racing DNA. Every twist of the throttle is met with an exhilarating surge of power, reaffirming its position as a true performer on the road. With a heritage rooted in racing, the Apache RTR 204V embodies TVS's commitment to performance excellence. Its aerodynamic profile, advanced engineering, and cutting-edge features make it a standout in its segment. Whether for city rides, weekend getaways, or spirited track sessions, it promises an unmatched riding experience. As it stands in the luxurious showroom, bathed in ambient lighting, the Apache RTR 204V awaits its next rider. A machine built for thrill seekers, designed for those who crave speed, agility, and absolute control. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience, an emotion, and a statement of unrelenting passion for the road. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.